you can use Excel to help you out in figuring out which products have expired. First of all, we need today's formula, or today's date. It doesn't really make sense that every single time you open the file you need to write down today's date. So the formula is equal today, open the bracket and close it. And then the days left, simply you equal the expiry date and then minus today's date, but the difference is we're gonna lock it by clicking F4. We're gonna see the dollar signs, meaning that this cell will not be moving. So when we apply it to the rest of the file or to the rest of the table, it's gonna be taking today's date. So it's quite simple. The number is in positive, that means there are 2 days left for this product to expire. Negative numbers, that mean it expired 5 days ago. But we can actually make it even more easier. Highlight the cells, go to conditional formatting, under home, conditional formatting, highlight cells that are less than, and then we're gonna choose 0, meaning that every negative number is gonna be highlighted in red or in any color that you choose. But this way it will make it simple. The moment you look at the table, you'll be able to identify the products that have expired.